Riding in the rain can be magical, until it isn't. Foggy visors, a squeaking chain, or worst of all, being wet and cold can make it feel like torture. Here's how you can monsoon-proof your ride this season. There are two key parts to monsoon-proofing your rides: your machine and yourself. Your motorcycle needs to be set up to perform well in wet riding conditions. Always remember that the whole of your motorcycle and you are depending on just two small patches of rubber to keep you the right side up. So to be safer, make sure that you're using tires that have good grip in wet riding conditions. This isn't just in terms of amount of tread on the tires, but the type of tire itself. And then there's the aspect of tire pressure. Riding with higher than recommended tire pressure reduces contact with the road, and that's a recipe for an unwanted slide. Stick to your manufacturer's recommended PSI or slightly lower it to better suit riding conditions on wet surfaces. Wet weather can reduce braking efficiency, and worn-out brake pads or discs can only make it worse. Check your brake performance and replace any components that are showing signs of wear. On wet roads, stopping takes longer, and you want your brakes to respond with precision when it matters most. As you ride in the rain, chain lube tends to wear off faster, and the chain itself is prone to accumulating more dirt with all the muck and slush on the road. Aim to rinse out the chain at the end of every ride day to keep it clean, and if you can, get some chain lube onto it too. Using a wet weather specific chain lubricant can be helpful, but the bottom line is that any chain lubricant is better than none. It only takes a few minutes but saves you from rust, squeaks and premature chain wear. While you're at it, get some protection and lubrication into other moving parts of the bike too. A bike that has been prepared for the rain tends to survive it better too. Now coming to the rider, keep all your waterproof gear within easy access. Don't make the mistake of stuffing it at the bottom of your bag. When the rain suddenly hits, you'll be glad to have your waterproof jacket, pants and gloves ready to respond. Speaking of which, use waterproof gear that makes you more visible. Hi-viz colors and reflective elements on your jacket especially can make it a lot easier for other traffic to spot you on the road. And this should go without saying, but having clear vision for yourself is critical. A clean visor without any fogging. From what we have heard and seen, people tend to have differing opinions about effectiveness of anti-fogging aids like pinlock visors and anti-fog sprays. If you have a preferred system that keeps the fog off your visor, be sure to use it. If nothing else works, cracking your visor open slightly usually works like a charm. Allowing the air to flow through usually leads to clearer vision, and the slight compromise in comfort is well worth it. Riding in the rain is genuinely fun if you're prepared for it and do it the right way. Don't know what gear or luggage to use when riding in wet weather? You can use the link in the description to explore ViaTerra's wide range of 100% waterproof luggage and rain gear that are purpose-built to monsoon-proof your ride. Thanks for watching.